This video is proudly brought to you by Web3bridge with Links, our official sponsors for Cohort 11.
In this video, we'll be talking about JSON RPC,
Ethereum JSON RPC,
the Web3 authentication using Windows.Ethereum. So JSON RPC is a powerful and flexible protocol which simplifies our procedure calls using our JSON. So due to the lightweight of the JSON RPC, it is an excellent choice for a lot of applications. So use cases of the JSON RPC can be used for web application. It can also be used for blockchain application, which helps in communicating with the node, and it can also be used for microservices.
And so the EIP 1193, what it does is basically just a way for our browser to DApp to communicate with the wallet. And so why it's important is because when we build apps and we want to communicate with the Ethereum blockchain, we need a means to connect with the provider and with the clients. And so what the EIP 1193 and 6963 basically does is they provide a set of rules on how those connections are to take place. The EIP 1193 is specifically for just when you want to connect to one wallet, like maybe MetaMask, and so they use the EIP 1193. But then when you want to now connect to multiple wallets like Coinbase, MetaMask, Phantom Wallet, that's where the EIP 6963 comes in. And so it provides a means whereby a DApp can now connect, has the choice to select between multiple wallets.
So the Windows.Ethereum is like an interface that allows users to connect to their Ethereum provider like MetaMask. So we have the user authentication. So instead of traditional sign up or sign in, Web3 uses cryptographic method, like allowing them to use private key to sign message to prove their ownership.